What if I told you the most dangerous electrical hazard in your entire home is the one place you stand barefoot, soaking wet every single day? Your shower. No sparks, no warning, no sound. Just one fault and it can stop your heart instantly. And here's the scary part. Millions of homes right now are one wiring mistake away from this. Today, I'm breaking down how a shower can electrocute you, the hidden signs your home is already dangerous, and the exact steps to protect your family immediately. Water plus electricity equals deadly, but not for the reason you think. Electricity is always searching for the fastest path to ground. Normally, that's your wiring system. But if something goes wrong, a loose wire, a corroded connection, a badly installed shower heater, that electricity needs a new path. And guess what? Your wet body becomes the shortcut. Let that sink in. You're standing there, barefoot, covered in water. You are literally the perfect conductor. This isn't some freak accident. In the U.S. alone, hundreds of people are injured or killed every year by household electrical faults. Bathrooms, one of the highest risk rooms in the house. And in countries like Brazil, Nigeria, and parts of Southeast Asia, there's something called suicide showers, instant electric heaters with exposed wiring. They kill people every single year. Think your house is safe? Not so fast. Electrical systems degrade over time. Wires crack, connections loosen, protection devices fail, and most homeowners never check. If any of these apply to you, pay attention. 1. Your home is over 25 years old. No inspection equals unknown risk. And yes, this can void your home insurance. 2. You feel a tingling sensation in the shower. That's not normal, that's current, and that means electricity is already leaking. 3. Flickering lights or tripping breakers when using the shower. Your system is under stress or failing. No RCD/GFCI protection. This device is your last line of defense. It shuts off power in milliseconds before your heart goes into cardiac arrest. No device? You're gambling with your life. DIY or unlicensed installation? This is one of the biggest causes of electrical fires, fatal shocks, and insurance claim denials. So what do you actually do? Here's the part that can save your life. Step 1. Test your safety device. Find the test button on your RCD/GFCI. Press it. If nothing happens, it's broken. Step 2. Get a professional inspection, especially if your home is older. This checks earthing, bonding, and fault currents. Cost? Around $100 to $200. Compare that to hospital bills, lawsuits, or worse. Step 3. Feel tingling? Get out immediately. Don't touch switches. Don't grab metal. Get out. Dry off. Call an electrician. That is an emergency. Step 4. Renters, this is not your problem to fix. It's your landlord's legal responsibility. Document it, email it, escalate it. Your safety comes first. Most people think home safety is about smoke alarms, but the real danger is silent, invisible, and hiding in your bathroom. A simple $150 inspection today could save you from a six-figure medical bill, a denied insurance claim, or losing everything. If you learned something, subscribe. I break down the hidden risks in your home and how to protect your money, your property, and your life. Share this with someone living in an older house. This isn't just information, it could save them.